Ngayong araw ay dadalhin naman namin kayo dun sa magagandang lugar na pinuntahan namin sa South Korea. Ito ay ang Garden of the Morning Camp at Nami Island. So first stop, yung Nami Island. Dito, nakakain kami ng stir-fried chicken. So para sa harap naman siya at masustansya, napakaraming veggies. Let's eat! Katabi nga pala namin dyan yung mga Singaporean na nakasabay namin sa pagbubok through Klook. So bago kami sumakay ng ferry, ayan, explain muna ng tour guide namin kung ano yung mga makikita namin dun sa Nami Island. Kinuwento pa nga niya na sobrang tahimik before ng Nami Island, pero dahil sa mga Korean novela, ayan, nabulabog ang Nami Island.
But year 2002, Mr. Winter Sonata filmed here. After that, all of a sudden, no more quiet place. And this Winter Sonata now filmed this place. And here, the first kiss. First kiss. So you have to go over there and make a kiss. If we don't have partner, just can by any Korean boy. And here. So these two areas also, there are some other area. So you go and you go this way, you go straight, like this is Jingpotri Lane. And you find a big artificial waterfall. Over there, this way, this area is open area. You can go around like this or go or this way. I don't recommend this one. That way, you make us
Ayan na, pasakay na kami ng ferry. Very excited to see the Nami Island.
Kaya mo yan?
So aside from ferry, pwede ka din namang mag-zipline. Pero syempre dahil may kasama kaming bata, hindi namin pinili na mag-zip. Siguro some other time when we come back here and meron kaming kasama, hindi na pwede mag-guide sa aming anak.
Ano tayo sa mga Singaporean?
Maganda naman yung weather, saka hindi naman masyado mahaba yung biyahe namin. Yung pagsakay lang from Yandong Station hanggang sa makarating na dito sa may Nami Island. So, yun yung matagal. But the ferry itself, malapit na siya.
Dito tayo, Misha. Misha! Yay! Where are we going, Misha? Oh, come on. Say hello.
Hi.
Where are you going?
Nami Island.
See you.
Kasama na daddy. Kasama na talaga to.
Kaya mo yan? Ha? Kaya mo yan?
Ang dami-dami rin talaga yung tourist na nag-visit dito sa Nami Island.
May isang oras lang tayo, ma'am.
Ang dami-dami tinuturo ng batang to. Very curious siya sa mga lugar na pinupuntahan niya. Gusto talaga namin kasi maiparanas sa kanya yung maraming bagay na hindi talaga namin naranasan ng mga bata pa kami. So we're just creating memories and hoping na pagdating ng araw, maalala niya yung mga gagandang mga experiences niya sa iba't ibang lugar na napupuntahan niya. Very thankful lang din kami sa mga opportunities sa binibigay ni God na nakapag-travel kami sa iba't ibang bansa. Thank you, Lord.
We're here at Nami Island. Ang dami kong lakad, pero happy ako.
Guys, samahan nyo lang kami dito sa mga lugar na in-explore namin at mga nakita.
Tama na yun. Tama na yun.
Naglalakad lang. Hindi ko manamnam to pag pinapanood ko na ulit yung video. Nakita
May mga cafe, restaurants, at saka mga pilihan din ng souvenirs dito. May convenience store din. Para kung nauuhaw ka, nagugutom ka, ay makakain ka rin dito sa lugar na to. Pero sa amin, very short time lang yung allotted para malibot namin ang lugar na to. Pero we're very happy to see a glimpse of Nami Island.
Sino nga ba to?
Ang dami din mga group tours ng iba't ibang nationalities. Pero again, we prefer yung DIY. Saka we belong to small group din talaga na nakasabay namin dito sa pagpunta sa Nami Island. And we had fun.
Kamusta ka?
Sobrang daming malalaking trees at saka marami ding mga plants. Pero again, since it's summer, majority makikita mo talaga green. Ang ganda-ganda siguro nito kung ibang seasons din yung mapupuntahan natin next time. We take advantage na makapag-take ng photos and souvenirs sa lugar na to.
Bye-bye, Nami Island. See you next time.
Pabalik na kami sa van para papunta naman kami sa Garden of the Morning Camp. But again, sakay kami ulit ng ferry. So this time hindi na kami dun sa roof or roof deck nung ferry. Doon naman kami, tinready namin doon sa loob. Yan, medyo mahaba rin yung travel namin papunta sa Garden of the Morning Calm. So makikita mo talaga yung paligid, yung puno, may iba na yung colors. So I'm very excited as a plantita, very excited ako makita tong garden na to. Again, ang aming tour guide, he's explaining yung mga spots dito sa garden.
This is the map of this Garden of Morning Camp. This garden is one of the beautiful gardens in Korea. But this is not national garden. This is a private garden. Yeah. So that one is owned by a professor, Korean professor, whose major was horticulture. So he purchased this about 50 years ago. At the time, the land was very cheap. She planted a lot of flowers here. Now you can find about 3,000 different flowers and the trees. But actually he opened this as arboretum, not garden, arboretum of garden. And then it's turned into a garden. Anyway, he is now earning huge money. But this garden, he's a millionaire. Now his son and daughter, they are running this garden at the moment. Now we are here, okay, and we are, there is a snack bar, there is a restaurant, and there's a getting booth. I'm going to make one ticket and go together, right? And after we go in, and we go inside and left, and then there is a swinging bridge. It's over there, and we turn left, and we find the number 6. There is a 1,000-year-old tree. So it's not that big, it's a small one. It's a juniper. So we call millennium juniper. We are going to go over there. And from here, we go continuously go inside to 11. That's the sunken garden. It's one of the most beautiful gardens in the world. And we go into number 14. That's a Korean garden. There's a small pond and the pavilion there. And at the back here, there is a five-color chair. I recommend you to sit down there and take a shot from behind. That's the most beautiful spot for photography. And then you turn around and there is some old traditional Korean house. And you pass by and there is some garden over here. You just have to go around, but you don't have to go all the way up. There is a white church there, but you don't have to go over there and pray. You just turn around and come back all the way out. And when you come out, don't go to the bridge again, and there's another small bridge.
Dito na-explain niya sa amin yung differences ng mga itsura ng garden sa mga seasons ng Korea.
And this is autumn, and that's summer. Not right now. This is something like this. It's all green, and this is Korea garden I talked about. One way in you find the Korea garden, and at the back there's a chair. Okay, this is spring. So all seasons, different sceneries. So I recommend The is running this ski tour every winter. That's a spring.
Spring.
And springtime is really flowers. Azalea, especially, that is really pretty. Yeah, something like that. And here is summer and fall. Okay. Now we go out and find out what it is like.
You have to cross first the hanging bridge.
Dali.
Guys, yun yung mga puno, yung trees, parang painting, di ba? Ang ganda. Sarap mag-picture-picture dyan. Yung buong lugar nga pala dyan, may mga music kang maririnig. Ang ganda din mga soundtrack dyan.
Natutunaw ako. Plantita. Plantita. Look at that. Balik tayo dito dati sa ibang season.
Spring. Yung kulay orange.
Pag spring, maganda. So, mahilig ka sa plants. Sa plants po.
Sa spring din.
Oo, spring.
Ang daming millionaires din dito na plants, oh, di ba? Ganda. Ito yung isa sa pride ng lugar, yung millennial tree. More than 1,000 years na itong plant na to. Di ba ang ganda niya? Kung titignan mo, para talaga siyang painting. Ay, sobrang relaxing ng place na to. Mas busy talaga siya. Mas busy talaga ng place na to. Sobrang nakakakalma. Bagay na bagay yung name ng place.
Transfer that tree from our place to here.
Because it's 1,000 years old, right? Yeah. Because you see the
Growing very slowly. Not that tall, but
I'll never wake up. Get me out of this fucking
more
place.
than
I'm
1,000.
sick and tired of losing patience.
Problem is they are going to die. The local government
Wasting away not to be seen again. Last forever. So when
Beautiful.
now they go into sunken garden. Yeah, that would be stay here. Look at it.
Daddy. Picture.
Hindi ko mapigilan yung sarili ko magpipicture sa kada corner yata o spot ng place na to. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Ay, flowers everywhere. Lord, nakaka-amaze ka talaga. Hindi namin kaya gumawa ng mas maganda sa mga flowers. Sabi nila ito yung pinakamagandang spot. You must have picture
We call
dun sa lugar na to.
Pagoda Valley because the visitors they pass by and they just put the pagoda like that. You know, this pagoda actually originated from Buddhism. In the Buddhism, they stack the stones and that will realize your dream or your wish. So most of Korean people, when they found some stones, they stack. Okay? So you can.
Sarap tumambay, no? Kapag lalo nakikita mo nature talaga. Tapos mararamdaman mo yung sariwang hangin, fresh air. Hi. Pahinga nga pala kami at in-explain ng tour guide namin yung differences ng pagdating sa nature ng Chinese, Japanese at Korean.
Basic concept is we change the nature. There's no idea. Japan, nature inside the house. They own nature. So they put everything in the garden. When Japan is a house, they have a small garden. Everything, small mountain, small trees, small vast field. And Korea, completely different. We put the house harmonized with the surroundings. So that is we borrow nature. We don't destroy nature, but we harmonize it. So we just enjoy the nature instead of destroying the nature. That's the reason why you put in Korean house, the wall is not tall. Because you are able to see outside. So the walls, everybody's missing like open society. Anybody have been in
Tinanong ko nga pala kung anong gamit ng mga pots na yan. Ang sabi niya, noon yun ang imbaka ng mga kimchi. So ngayon kasi mas commercialized na. Meron nga pala dito sa small church pero hindi siya naka-open. Pero gusto ko din talaga siya makita kaya pinuntahan ko. Ayan, pabalik na kami. Guys, very relaxing talaga yung place na to. Misha, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Yes po, ang daming flowers and plants.
Sobrang tiring pero very worth it. And then, nung nakabalik na kami sa may Miandong, ang drop by namin ay doon sa may Lotte World. So, this time, we plan to eat Korean barbecue dahil anniversary din naman namin, wedding anniversary, and then we want to reward ourselves kasi very tiring talaga ang long travel na ito, and we really enjoyed. Lubos-lubisin na natin yung gala. We have to eat a lot. Iyan, no, iba yung Korean barbecue talaga, yung authentic, at sila mismo talaga yung nagluluto ng mga dishes and preparing before you eat. And sobrang na-enjoy na mag-ama yung Korean barbecue.